They made us this away, you know. Green, I wish I could have juicy fruited that ass in 3D and the real world. Damn the program.
Well, shit a brick and call me yellow. I thought that there was a real life, but my ass is now cartooned like program. They can eat taco meat but win these chopsticks, bitches.
I noticed something. We must be a 4D because I smell fish noodle shit between those chop suey legs like sewer greenie.
You're just mad blue because your blue ass had a war on those there balls and you can handle my fish farm. And you know I am so sorry your name was Huckleberry in the past life.
Well, fuck, no one knew that you used to use a pogo stick between those nasty chopsticks. Bep this blue bitches and I am X on the spot Huckleberry style.
Show off, even programmed you couldn't beat the douche in my bag rag like it tag on X mag. Oh we rap battle arsehole.
Blue as the sky is true, uncle. My huckle like that jelly in the key my lay. Why I can't stand you fishy, but my butt smells shitty good with my grey hood.
Show off on a go loft, sleep around a pound of green and will never match me. What you see, for better sakes you can't be, bitch.
Oh look at meanness in the sinus booger. Green machine point blank and that ass like a trash mass on Black Sunday. Pentagrams on the land of green, bitch. I Huckleberry, my blue is cherry slash.
Go ahead, write that book while you look and my gold rain bowing over your clover over and over like a lawnmower. Chuckle on my and I laugh at ya.